In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. Transitions are a great way to add a professional touch to your videos by creating smooth changes between scenes. Whether you're creating content for social media, a presentation, or simply a fun video with friends, mastering transitions can elevate the overall feel of your production. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, you can sign in. Otherwise, you'll need to create an account, or you can conveniently sign in using your Microsoft account. Simply click on Continue with Microsoft and select the appropriate account if prompted. This route is especially handy if you're already using other Microsoft services, as it streamlines the sign-in process. Once you're on the Clipchamp homepage, look for and click on Create a new video. This will take you to the video editing interface. The next step is importing the media you want to use. Click on the Import Media button to upload your video files from your computer. This is where you gather all the clips you plan to use in your project. Next, take those imported video clips and drag and drop them onto the timeline at the bottom of your screen. The timeline is your workspace where you arrange and edit your video clips to craft the perfect sequence. Once your videos are lined up on the timeline, it's time to add some transitions. Animating transitions between your clips can make moving from one scene to another feel seamless and visually engaging. To do this, navigate to the Transitions tab. This tab provides access to various transition options you can employ to spice up the connections between your video clips. Once you're in the Transitions menu, you'll find a wide array of pre-designed transitions to choose from. Don't be afraid to experiment and find which transitions best suit your style and the theme of your video. After you've selected a transition, it's time to implement it. Click on the transition you like, then drag and drop it between the two video clips on the timeline where you want the transition to take place. As simple as that, you've added a transition. Feel free to preview your video at any time to ensure everything flows smoothly. Adjust the length and style of the transitions as needed by dragging the edges of the transition on the timeline to create the desired effect. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to enhance your video's flow with transitions in Clipchamp. Experiment with different transitions to discover which ones work best for you, and don't hesitate to mix and match to keep your audience engaged. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.